started hearing 2 more eeps after that right now, so pretty recently. And I was sitting there watching and waiting because I heard some stuff too. Finally he jumps out, and he didn't move for a long time, but at least I knew he was there. And so then he kept walking after a long time, and I was set up on this tree, pointed that way, so I was using it as kind of a lean, and I whistled to stop him, and he stopped, and I shot through a lot of brush. I'll show you where I shot here, but then I shot again where I saw him moving after that, and then a few seconds later I heard some flailing around in the swamp brush, so I may have gotten him, and I'm out of breath and I'm shaking, but I may have gotten him, and may not have. I'm not sure how big he is, but I can see horns. He could just be a 6 or an 8-pointer, or even a 10, so I guess we'll see later, but here's where I shot him through. Waited until he got into this clearing right here. And then I let him have it. Then I shot once more when he was running back there somewhere. Yeah, not focusing. But back behind there, he came from this swamp right over here. Marched down through here and then stayed there for a long time. I couldn't see him, and then he jumped out, and that's when I whistled at him. It was right over here, so we'll see what happens, I guess. Bye. Well, I did get him. It looks like there'll be more pictures later, but he's a 8-pointer, and I think I may have shot off one of his brow tines. Yeah, but didn't run all that far, probably 70, 80 yards. The cut that I shot him in is right there. Runs that way, and he ran down through here, so success. Here we are. What time is it? 6:11. 6:11 in the morning. We're out in the crow's nest, and we're looking for a monster buck. Oh yeah. But we'll see what we can get. The dirty pointer. The dirty pointer is what we're looking for. Yeah. So, or at least an 8-pointer like you got yesterday. Yeah. So we're hoping for something. No problem. Yeah. But we'll be watching the cut. See ya later. You got it, Wendy. Well, as you can see, the old ear flaps have come down. It's getting a little chilly. Ethan's got his mask back on, as you can see. And so far this morning it's about 7 o'clock, and we've heard one shot come from the west, or 2 shots, and then 2 shots come from Squires, now 1 shot come from back that way. So we're just waiting for our deer to show up. I'm not sure where they are as of right now, but hopefully they'll be coming. Welcome back. Third segment of the video documentary. Third segment, yeah. It's 7:35. 7:35. I haven't seen a thing yet. It's up. Just crows. Lots of crows. In fact, there's some right there. a segment left. Just but 2 if we get a deer. Yeah, maybe 2. Maybe see you later. Bye. Well, here we are at the end of our day. About 8:20. We're quitting pretty early, but we got rained on. It's just miserable. Huh? There's our word from Ethan.
And we have to go to church.
Yeah, that too. And we're pretty pumped to go to Grandma's, though, and eat some awesome food.
Watch the Packers.
Uh-huh. Well, we'll see about the 49ers. They're going to be tough. But we saw a bald eagle, so that was pretty cool, too.
Aye.
About the only thing we saw today, though, besides crows. Oh, well. Thanks, Eddie.
Mm-hmm.
See ya.